In one of the applications filed Monday, the Attorney General Basil Williams has asked the court for an order to prevent the enforcement of the parliamentary resolution which declared that the no-confidence motion had been passed. The government also seeks a conservatory order preserving the status quo of the government that the President and all ministers remain in office until the hearing and determination of the matters. In a separate application, the Attorney General has asked the court to determine a. whether the Speaker's ruling that the motion of no confidence was carried by a vote of a majority of all the elected members of the National Assembly is unlawful, null and void, b. whether the motion of no confidence upon a division vote of 33-32 members of the National Assembly was validly passed as the requisite majority of all the elected members. C. Whether the requisite majority of all the elected members of the National Assembly ought properly to be carried by 34 votes. Whether the President and all ministers of the government can remain in office on the claim that a majority vote was not duly carried. E. Whether the court can make an order setting aside or nullifying the Speaker's ruling that the motion was carried. F. Whether the court can make an order staying the enforcement of the resolution which declared the motion had been carried. And G. Whether the court can grant a conservatory order preserving the status quo ante that the President and all ministers of the government remain in office until the hearing and determination of the claims made. The respondents in the two applications made by the Attorney General are Speaker of the National Assembly, Dr. Barton Scotland, and Opposition Leader Bara Jagdeo. On Friday last, private citizen Compton Reed moved to the High Court seeking orders to set aside the no-confidence vote of December 21st on the grounds that the vote of Charandas Prasad was invalid because he holds a Canadian passport.